Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our one gang home automation switch, also known as a push to make switch. When you receive your product, it will come in the following packaging with your barcode and a little bit of information about the brand. If you open up your packet, you'll receive the switch itself, a packet of screws and some instruction leaflets. To gain access to the subframe of the product, you can remove the front plate, where you'll find the holes for mounting on your back box and for wiring in to compatible home automation systems. You can then reaffix the plate in the colour of your choosing to get your final appearance. The product's available in 24 colours. If you need any more information, please feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.